Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a common issue where your mouse wheel scrolls too slowly or doesn't scroll properly. This is a simple and quick fix, so let's get started. First, click on the search icon on your taskbar and type Control Panel. From the search results, open the Control Panel app. Now, if your window looks different or only shows categories, don't worry. Simply go to the top right corner, click on View By and select Large Icons. This will show you all the settings in one place. Next, look for the mouse option and click on it. A new window will open with several tabs such as Buttons, Pointers, Pointer Options, and Wheel. Click on the Wheel tab. You'll see two sections, one for vertical scrolling and another for horizontal scrolling. By default, the value is set to 2 or 3, which works for most systems. However, if your mouse scroll feels slow or unresponsive, try increasing the scroll value by 1 and test it to see if it improves the performance. Once you find the setting that works best, you can keep it. In my case, I've set the vertical scrolling to 3 and the horizontal scrolling to 4. Once you've made the adjustments, click on Apply and then OK. Now, go ahead and restart your computer. Your mouse wheel scrolling should be working smoothly again. I hope this quick tutorial helped you fix your mouse scroll issue. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more simple Windows fixes and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.